Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to your IsiXhosa lessons with me, Kolping Mbumba. Today I'm bringing you a very cool word, cool IsiXhosa word, and that word is Inqentsu. Inqentsu. Now, Inqentsu is the medulla oblongata cover on all Xhosa people. Position pha emva entloko. Inqentsu also functions as storage space for all the stress, depressing expectations, and the pedestal that Xhosa people are put on by the whole world. Now you can see a Xhosa person who has a lot of stress and a lot of Xhosa expectations by the size of the Inqentsu. Now the heavier and the pointier and the bigger and the mpatsha-mpatsha the Inqentsu, the heavier the Xhosa expectations that particular person carries. Just to reference in real life, you should check out nqetsucal pictures of Chris Hani, Brenda Fassie, and any Xhosa person ophangela eKapa. Too much stress there. The Inqentsu is very big. Check if you don't believe me. Inqentsu, pronounced Inqentsu. Inqentsu. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.